Another thing that you can do with the fun hexagon dies that are part of the Meant to Be bundle. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cool hexagons plus dies to cut out the bees, the wings, the hearts, and the antenna. Then I'm also using the Be My Valentine stamp set and punch. The punch cuts out the bee and the wings, and also they could be hearts as well. And my inspiration came from a card similar to this one, where it had double flap. But I decided I wanted to use the hexagon dies as my double flap. So we're going to start with a piece of 8 1/4 by 4 1/4 old olive cardstock, and we're scoring at 2 3/4, so that's half. Then we have this 4 by 2 1/2 piece of the DSP and a 4 by 5 1/4 piece of the other side of this DSP. Then I cut 2 small white hexagons, 1 small hexagon out of the DSP, and then 1 card. So I placed the cutting edge of the hexagon above the fold to get my inside card, and then just 1 of the same size to be my top flap here. So I'm going to place the 2 points at the edge of the card here, right there. And then that's where this piece will go too. But first I'm gonna stamp both of the insides, the inside and the outside of both of these cards. So let's start with this one. Okay, so we're gonna stamp. We are meant to be right in the middle. And then we'll do 3 hearts. And then we'll stamp cute as can be over here in this corner. And the cute little bee trail in Pool Party. And the heart in Petunia Pop. And I love how the heart just fits in right there. Okay, I've stamped black on Daffodil Delight, and I have some Pool Party wings that I cut out, plus a couple of these flowers. And I'm gonna stamp some of the faces on these guys. And this one, I'm gonna do this happy face from the Be My Valentine faces. And if you want to extend the black on the bee, if you don't like how it stops there, you can again use your black marker and just color in the edges there a bit more. And I think it makes it look nicer. All right, so now I'm gonna add this little bee inside here. And then these little flowers, I'm gonna add some glue. I'm gonna add this bee up here. And then I'll add some glue to these flowers. Okay, so now for our last bit is to add this here. So I'm gonna put 2 dimensionals on the top. Just double check that I have the top correct here. All right, we'll place that on top. And there you have a beautiful hexagon double flap card.